how to use monday.com for construction company. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use monday.com for your construction company. If you don't know yet, monday.com is project management tools that lets you have a workspace so that you can manage all your data, all your tasks, all your details, and you can monitor your employees and others. And in this video specifically for construction company. And in the dashboard, as you can see on the left side, there is workspace. And basically you can add another workspace. And for now, I only have one. And in this workspace, I'm gonna add new template for my construction company, let's say. And I'm gonna click plus icon here to add item to workspace. Then you can choose board, and actually you can add new board, but it's gonna be complicated. So we're gonna use template for now. Can click start with template. And then in this template center, as you can see, you have another option for another industry, lot of them. And we're gonna go to search box here and search construction. And as you can see, there are 5 templates from monday.com. There is construction schedule, general contractor solution, and construction roadmap, construction project backtracking, and also construction management. So you can add one by one, you can add all of them if you need it. But let's say I'm gonna use construction management, can click it, and this is the preview, you can read it, you can see it. And if you think this is good, you can just use template, click it, and then it's loading to create your template. And it's done, it's success. As you can see on the left side, I have, construction management template. And there is sub template for subcontractors like this. You can see, you can edit it, and then also project overview. You can modify it, up to you. Also, project details like this. And if you think it's good enough and you want to add another template, but in a new workspace, you can just click new workspace here. You can click it and click add workspace. And then you can choose the name, maybe like this, construction company. And then you can choose whatever you want, like say, and add workspace. And then you can see in the left side, there are 2 workspace now. So this is my company, construction company, and I'm gonna add new template, add item to workspace, and then board again, and then start with template, and then search again construction like this. And let's say I need this one, general constructor solution. Click this one and click use template here. Click this one and then choose your workspace, this one. And then it's creating and it's done. So yeah, this is new template, general constructor solution. So this is the template, you can edit it, you can modify it. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.